20 Cheap DIY Walkway Ideas. Cheap and easy DIY walkway ideas to upgrade your outdoor space. Create beautiful paths with these budget-friendly options. Get inspired now. Embark on a budget-friendly landscaping journey with my curated list of 20 cheap DIY walkway ideas. From crushed stone to mosaic tiles, discover a range of materials and techniques to transform your outdoor space. These practical and affordable options will guide you in creating a beautiful and inviting path that complements your home style. 1. Crushed stone walkway. Crushed stone is a cost-effective way to create a natural-looking walkway. It's easy to install and requires minimal maintenance. To create a crushed stone walkway, simply excavate the area, level the ground, and spread the crushed stone evenly. You can use a tamper or compactor to pack the stone down for a smooth, stable surface. Crushed stone walkways can be used in a variety of settings, from gardens to patios to driveways. They're also a great way to add texture and interest to your landscape. 2. Gravel path with edging. Gravel paths add charm and texture to any outdoor space, and they're surprisingly easy to create yourself. Simply mark out the path's shape, level the ground, and spread down a layer of gravel. For a more sophisticated look, add edging made of bricks, stones, or even reclaimed wood. This simple addition will help to keep the gravel in place and create a clean, crisp line. With a bit of effort, you can add a stunning gravel path to your yard that will provide years of enjoyment. 3. Flagstone stepping stones. Flagstone stepping stones offer a natural and earthy charm to your walkway. Their irregular shapes and warm tones add visual interest and create a rustic aesthetic. These stones are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to install, making them a practical and affordable option. You can arrange them in creative patterns to enhance their appeal and create a unique pathway that complements your outdoor space. 3. Stepping pavers on sand. Laying stepping pavers on sand is a cost-effective and DIY-friendly way to create a charming walkway in your garden or yard. Begin by leveling the area and spreading a layer of sand around 2 inches deep. Tamp down the sand firmly, ensuring it's level. Next, place your pavers on the sand, spacing them evenly and pressing them in to secure them. Fill the gaps between the pavers with more sand, brushing it in thoroughly. Finally, water the area to settle the sand and create a stable base. With a little effort, you'll have a beautiful and durable walkway that will enhance your outdoor space for years to come. 4. Brick paver walkway. Transform your outdoor space with a classic and durable brick paver walkway. Bricks provide an elegant and timeless look that will enhance the curb appeal of your home. Plus, they're incredibly strong and low maintenance, making them a practical choice for high-traffic areas. With a little effort and planning, you can create a custom walkway that perfectly complements your landscape and connects different parts of your yard seamlessly. 5. Concrete paver pathway. With their wide range of colors, textures, and shapes, you can customize your pathway to complement any outdoor aesthetic. Concrete pavers are also incredibly easy to install, making them a great option for DIY enthusiasts. They provide excellent water drainage, ensuring your pathway remains stable and free from puddles. 6. DIY stamped concrete walkway. Transform your outdoor space with a stunning DIY stamped concrete walkway. This cost-effective method mimics the look of expensive natural stone, adding elegance and durability to your property. With a bit of planning and some basic tools, you can create a custom walkway that complements your home's architecture and landscape. Simply pour the concrete, apply a release agent, and stamp the desired pattern using pre-made concrete stamps. A few days of curing, and you'll have a unique and eye-catching walkway that will last for years to come. 7. Wood chip pathway. Imagine strolling along a cozy path lined with soft, springy wood chips. This budget-friendly option adds a natural touch to your yard, providing excellent drainage for rainy days. With minimal maintenance, a wood chip pathway retains its charm season after season. Plus, the chips decompose over time, replenishing the soil with organic matter. 8. Stone slab stepping stones. Stone slab stepping stones are a timeless and elegant way to create a beautiful and functional walkway in your backyard. These stones are available in a variety of shapes and sizes, so you can customize your walkway to fit your needs. Stone slabs are also very durable, so they will last for many years to come. To create a stone slab walkway, simply lay the stones down in a path and fill in the gaps with gravel or sand. You can also add edging to the walkway to give it a more finished look. Stone slab walkways are relatively easy to install, and they can be a great way to add value to your home. 9. Concrete walkway with DIY borders. A budget-conscious yet stylish walkway is achievable with a concrete walkway bordered by DIY materials. Transform leftover bricks, cobblestones, or pavers into decorative accents along the walkway's edges. Simply lay them out as a border, ensuring they remain level and secure. You can also use repurposed wooden planks, logs, or even large stones to create a rustic or modern look. With a little planning and creativity, you can create a unique and eye-catching walkway that complements your outdoor space. 10. Pallet wood pathway. Pallet wood makes for a sturdy, earthy walkway that is also easy on your pocket. Gather old pallets, disassemble them, and align the planks along your path, leaving a small gap between each. Level the planks with a spirit level, hammering in stakes for support where needed. Fill the gaps with dirt or gravel, and finish with polyurethane for weather resistance. You can paint or stain the pathway to complement your outdoor decor, creating a truly unique and budget-friendly walkway. Recycled brick. 11. Recycled brick walkway. Transform your backyard with a charming and sustainable walkway using recycled bricks. These sturdy, time-worn materials add character and durability to your outdoor space. Arrange them in intricate patterns or create a classic herringbone design. Recycled brick walkways not only provide a functional path, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your yard, blending seamlessly with lush greenery and rustic surroundings. Plus, reusing bricks gives new life to salvaged materials and reduces waste, making it an eco-conscious choice. 12. Mosaic tile walkway. Transform your walkway into a captivating mosaic masterpiece with ease and affordability. Gather broken tiles, shards, or recycled glass and arrange them creatively to create a vibrant and unique design. Use thin-set mortar to secure the tiles and grout the spaces for a polished finish. This DIY project adds an artistic touch to your outdoor space without breaking the bank. 13. Cobblestone walkway. Create a charming and historic touch to your outdoor space with a cobblestone walkway. This classic paving material adds instant character and durability to any landscape. Simply gather natural cobblestones or reuse old ones and lay them in a herringbone or other geometric pattern. Fill the gaps with sand or mortar for added stability. With a little patience and attention to detail, you can easily create a stunning cobblestone walkway that will enhance the beauty of your home for years to come. 14. DIY poured concrete walkway. Poured concrete is a durable and relatively simple option for a DIY walkway. It can be customized with different colors, textures, and finishes to match your home and landscape. Pour a concrete walkway. You'll need to excavate the area, build a form, and pour the concrete. Once the concrete has cured, you can remove the form and enjoy your new walkway. 15. Turf paver walkway. Turf pavers are a great way to create a walkway that is both functional and attractive. They are made of recycled plastic and are designed to allow grass to grow up through them, creating a natural-looking path. Turf pavers are relatively easy to install and can be used in a variety of applications, from driveways to patios. They are also a good choice for areas that are prone to erosion. 16. DIY pebble walkway. Create a beautiful and natural walkway with a DIY pebble design. Start by marking the path's outline. Then, excavate the area, create a base using sand or gravel, lay down landscaping fabric, and pour a concrete mix. Once the concrete has set, arrange the pebbles on the surface. Fill in the gaps with pea gravel or sand, compact everything in place, and finish with a sealant for protection. With patience and creativity, you can craft a stunning walkway that adds a unique charm to your outdoor space. 17. Wooden plank walkway. Wooden plank walkways are a great way to add a touch of rustic charm to your yard or garden. They are relatively easy to build and can be customized to fit any space. You can use different types of wood, such as cedar or redwood, to create a walkway that will last for years. To build a wooden plank walkway, you will need to first lay out the area where you want it to go. Then, you will need to dig a trench for the planks. The trench should be about 6 inches deep and wide enough to accommodate the planks. Once you have dug the trench, you will need to place the planks in it. Make sure that the planks are level and that they are spaced evenly apart. You can secure the planks in place with nails or screws. Once the planks are in place, you will need to fill in the trench with dirt or gravel. You can also add a layer of mulch to help keep the walkway looking its best. 18. Railroad tie walkway. Railroad tie walkways add rustic charm to any outdoor space. These long, rectangular blocks of wood are durable and naturally resistant to rot and decay, making them a great choice for paths or walkways that receive heavy foot traffic. To create a walkway, simply lay the ties side by side, in the desired pattern and fill the gaps with landscaping fabric or gravel. The result is a sturdy and attractive walkway that will last for years to come.
19. Decomposed granite walkway. Decomposed granite makes an excellent walkway material. It's affordable, easy to install, and requires very little maintenance. It's also a natural material that blends in well with any landscape. To install a decomposed granite walkway, simply remove the existing vegetation and level the ground. Then, spread the decomposed granite over the area and compact it with a roller or tamper. Be sure to slope the walkway away from your house to prevent water from pooling.